My name is Vivian Bynum, and I'm owner of Wartrace Wee Champs Daycare. It's a group home on 322 Spring Street, Wartrace, Tennessee. I've applied for 2 enhancement grants and received both. Well, when it all first came about, I kind of freaked out. I was afraid it was going to be difficult and kind of confusing on what was expected, but honestly, after talking with Mandy and texting her, and we actually had a group meeting, it was a very good experience. It was pretty easy, self-explanatory, worked right through the process and was able to do everything that was necessary to get it finalized, and then we were able to get the funds and spend on the appliances and the toys and everything that was allowed. The appliances, they're absolutely awesome. The dishwasher that I received is just over the top. The old dishwasher I haven't used it in years. It actually leaked and it just didn't meet environmental specs at all. So we either used a lot of paper plates, which was a lot of trash, or we did a lot of hand washing. So, and the refrigerator, you open it up and it's like a dream. You stand there and it just sings to you. It's beautiful. The one I had before, I was beginning to worry about the foods keeping the temps that was needed for the environmentalists. So with this brand new one, we've got our thermometers inside, and it's perfect. It's just perfect. Now I also received a freezer that's out in another building. Now it's an upright. My old freezer was one that you had to defrost, and that took time. This new freezer, I like to buy products from a company that actually has healthier products, and they come in large boxes. So that freezer can contain those boxes and keep everything fresh, easy access. It's wonderful. Like you said, I've been here since 1993, and being in business that long, you need to upgrade. You need to refresh. I was able to do that with so many things with both of the grants. I bought shelving, new eating tables, storage things like outside, like storage bins for balls and different outdoor playthings. We were able to get tricycles that the kids adore. A lot of those items were bigger ticketed items, and when you're in a small facility like I am, you don't always spend that money on those things. But I've been able to do that, and it'll be here longer than I am. I'd like to thank the ChildcareTennessee, the Community Foundation of Middle Tennessee, and the Department of Human Services for every grant, for every encouragement, for every little package that's been left on my front porch, to the phone calls, to the everything it's took to get us through all these things and come out good on the other end.